Hello friends, welcome to my channel Avnish Speaks. Please like and subscribe our channel. Today I am going to talk about Prafulla Chaki. He is the hero today. Prafulla Chaki was a great freedom fighter. He was born on 10th December 1888 in a place in a district called Bogra, that was in Bengal at that time. Now it is in Bangladesh, present Bangladesh. In his schooling days, he took admission in Rangpur National School. Rangpur National School was established by nationalists to oppose British education system. There he came into contact with Barinder Ghosh, the younger brother of Sri Aurobindo Ghosh. Barinder Ghosh brought him there in Kolkata. After that, he became a member of revolutionary organization Yugantar, a part of Anushilon Samiti at that time. It was kind of revolutionary group who were fighting against Britishers. There, the first assignment of Prafulla Chaki was to kill first lieutenant governor of newly created province East Bengal and Assam after the division of Bengal. His assignment was to kill the first lieutenant governor of that province. His name was Joseph Bamford Fuller, I think. Last name was Fuller. Actually, Fuller was planning to go Darjeeling for vacation, and planning was to kill him there only. But this could not materialize as Fuller has cancelled his program to go to Darjeeling. Maybe he got some information from somewhere that these guys were planning to kill him. After that, the second assignment was given to Prafulla Chaki to kill Douglas Kingsford, a very unpopular magistrate, a judge you can say. Douglas Kingsford was posted in Muzaffarpur, Bihar, present day Muzaffarpur, Bihar. But in previous tenure, he was magistrate of Kolkata Presidency, and he was very infamous to give harsh punishment to revolutionaries and nationalists. So planning was to kill him. Prafulla Chaki, along with Khudiram Bose, reached Muzaffarpur. On 30th April 1908, Prafulla Chaki and Muzaffarpur, Prafulla Chaki and Khudiram Bose threw bomb on the carriage of Douglas Kingsford, but fortunately, carriage was carrying two European women, daughter and wife of barrister Pringle Kennedy. They both were died instantly. Prafulla Chaki and Khudiram Bose took separate routes and ran away from there. Khudiram Bose was arrested some 25 kilometers from Muzaffarpur. There is a place called Vani. At that time, it was called Vani railway station. Now it is called Shahid Khudiram Bose Pusa railway station. Khudiram Bose was arrested there. But Prafulla Chaki reached to Samastipur, and with the help of a railway employee, a staff of railway, he boarded a train to Bengal. But in his compartment, a police officer, Nandlal Banerjee, suspected him and tried to arrest him near Mokama. That is in the route. In near Mokama, he tried to arrest him, but Prafulla Chaki shot himself from his own revolver, as he didn't want to get arrested from Britishers or British police, and he gave supreme sacrifice for this motherland. Thank you, friends. In the next episode, I'll come with another great revolutionary who led his everything for this motherland. Thank you very much.